Hello and welcome to Alpha English. I'm teacher Amanda. In this video, we will learn phrasal verbs with the word take. Take after. Take after means to be similar to an older member of your family in appearance or character. Synonyms for take after include imitate, follow, and act like. For example, he takes after his father. Take off. If an airplane, bird, or insect takes off, it leaves the ground and begins to fly. Synonyms for take off include take flight, lift off, and become airborne. For example, the plane will take off in half an hour. Take in. Take in means to understand and remember something that you hear or read. Synonyms for take in include recall, remember, and comprehend. For example, there is a lot of information to take in all at once. Take up. To take up is to begin something, a hobby or a sport. Synonyms for take up include commence, begin, and start. For example, he decided to take up fishing. Take over. To take over means to begin to do or to have control of something that someone else was doing. Synonyms for take over include take charge of and assume control of. For example, she took over from her husband because he isn't very good at cutting fabric. Take out. If you take something or someone out, you remove it permanently from its place. Synonyms for take out include unleash, release, and get rid of. For example, the doctors need to take out the bullet from his body. Take on. To take on means to accept some work or an additional responsibility. Synonyms for take on include engage, acquire, and accept. For example, he has taken on more responsibility than he can handle. Take down. Take down means to write something that you are looking at or listening to. Synonyms for take down include write down, mark down, and record. For example, the students are taking down notes in class. Very good work. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Alpha English for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.